friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Web. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Web, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn about a framework, LWC, Apex class trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. Hello friends, in this lesson we will be see data type in JavaScript. So in this lesson we will be learn there are 8 basic data type in JavaScript. The data types are number data types, string data types, boolean data types, undefined data types, null data types, object data types, array data types, and sample data types. So in the Visual Studio Code we will be define all of the data type and we will be print console.log and we will be check in the browser. So now let's jump to my VS Code where we will be define and assign a value and we will be check which data type I declare in JavaScript. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my VS Code. In the previous lesson, we have created 2 files, index file and function file. So in this lesson, we will be use same function file and we will be use the data type in JavaScript. So first we will be see number data type in JavaScript. Number data type. So first we will be see number data type in JavaScript. So here I am first creating a variable. I write the name of the variable name. Suppose that I am write the name of the variable num equal to I am assigning the value. Suppose I am assigning the value 545 and print the value console.log. Inside the bracket, I am passing the variable num. Save, go to the browser, refresh the browser. Here you can see 4. Here you can see 545 is printing. In the VS Code, I created a var num and assigning the value number data type and console.log and check the browser. I am seeing the value that is I am assigning in the JavaScript variable. Now I will be check this number which data type. So go to the VS Code, create another one console.log .log and bracket. Inside the bracket, use type of the name of the variable. So I created a variable num. So here I am passing the num. So it will return this data type of variable, this type of data. Save and go to the browser and refresh. You can see this data type variable that is a number data type. So it is return number data type. So in the VS Code, I created a num data type. So first I declare num and assign the value and printing 2 times. First it is return that is a 545 that is a value and second it is return this variable which data type of you created. So this variable I created number data type, so it return number data type. Now I will be check string data type. String data type. Similar, I will create a first variable str equal to always a string will be pass the value inside the double quote and single quote. First I am using double quote and using the value. So here I created a str that is a variable name and inside the double quote I am passing the value. So in the variable I am assigning the value take w3 wait. I am assigning the value and console.log. Inside the console.log I am passing the value var. That is I created a string data type. Now save, go to the browser and refresh. You can see value is display, that is a string data type. Now I will check the which data type I created. So same console.log bracket type of parser variable name, type of variable name. So here I created a string data type, so it will return string. You can see string. So first I clear. So first I declare number data types. It will return value and data type. Second I declare string data type, so it will return value and data type. So here I can create. You can use if I using instead of the double quote. If I using the single quote, it will also return same value, because if you declare as a double quote value or single quote value, it will return as a string value. Same. So string value always assign the double quote and as well as a single quote. Then I will be assigned Boolean data type. So similar Boolean data type. Similar first I will create a variable bool equal to Boolean variable always return true and false. So first I declare variable, write the name of the variable and pass the value. So Boolean always return true and false. So here I am assigning the value true. Console.log assigning the variable name inside the console.log bracket, and similar copy which data type I am assigning. So here I am creating a Boolean data type. So in the bracket type of pass the variable name. So it will return which data type you are creating right now. So here I am creating a Boolean data type. So first it will return true and second will return Boolean. Now save and go to the browser and refresh. You can see true and browser, because here I am passing the true. If I passing the true in the single quote, it will return as a string. But if I am passing without a single quote, it will return true. Now, next data type is undefined. So in the next example, I will be use undefined data type. So similar, go to the VS Code, undefined data type. Similar, I will create a variable undefined, and first I create a variable and not assigning any kind of value in the variable, and trying to console.log and check the print in the browser. Console.log bracket. Suppose I am defining take one. Take one, I declare a variable, and this variable I am not assigning any kind of value. Now I am printing this variable inside the log. Now I am assigning this variable inside the console.log, and also I am declaring data type. So what kind of data type it will return? Type of pass the variable name. So in the variable, I declared a variable but not assigning any kind of value, and now I am assigning the variable inside the console.log. Let me check in the browser which data type of display in the browser. Save and go to the browser and refresh. You can see there are undefined, because I declared a variable but not assigning any kind of value. So if you not assigning any kind of value, it will return undefined. So here I see undefined data type. Next I will be see null data type. Null data type. So null data type similar. I will create a variable null obj. So here I declare null obj. Suppose I declare Vijay and first I declare a Vijay. Then I am using same variable equal to here I am passing null. So I created a variable that is a null of aj and passing the value vj. Now I am using same variable and equal to passing null. So first I assigning vj value in the variable and same variable I am passing null. So it will override the value. Now I am using console.log. Let me check what kind of data type it's returning browser. So null obj and type of null obj. So here I am seeing the example null type. So null data type, what kind of data type it will return? First I declare a variable and passing and in the variable I am assigning the value vj. Then I am overwriting the value vj to null. Now I am checking the console.log, save and go to the browser and check. You can see it returned object data type. So it will be you will be confused if I assigning the value Vijay, but why it return object? Because first I declare a variable and passing and assigning the value Vijay, then I reassign the value null. So it return a object. Now I'm going another one example for object. So now I will be see data type object data type. Similar, I will create a variable obj equal to curly bracket. So curly bracket indicate as a object and console dot log and assign the variable inside the log and similar console dot log type of pass the object, pass the variable name, save, go to the browser and check. You can see if I assigning object data type, it return object. So object data type always defined as a curly bracket like this. So if I assigning the value, not assigning the value, but only I declare as an object variable and checking the console.log data type return like object. Now next array. Array. So similar, I will be check the array data type and create a variable. Data type array. So first create a variable a double r equal to array always declare as a square bracket and check the data type. If I declare as a square bracket array, now let me check console.log which data type are returned in browser. Console.log ARR console.log type of ARR. Now see, go to the bottom and check uncaught data type error. Let me check. So here you can see I get typo mistake. Console dot not console. It would be console.log, not console.console. Console.log, it is a typo mistake. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the file. It is also return object data type. So if I using as a data type also return data type as a object. Now let me go to the symbol. Symbol data type, symbol. Similar, I will create a variable like var sym equal to symbol in the bracket. I am passing the value take Vijay, take W3 where Vijay. So here I am creating a variable symbol and right now I am using console.log. In the console.log, I am passing the variable sym similar copy and data type of it will return type of variable name. Save. So here I am creating a symbol data type variable and checking the value and its data type on the browser. Now save, go to the browser, refresh. Here you can see symbol data type, it is also return symbol. So friends, here I am creating different data type in the VS Code. First I declare a num data type, it return number. Then I created string data type, it return string. Then I created a boolean data type, it return boolean. Then I declare a undefined, then it return a undefined data type. Then if I declare a null, so if I created a variable, I am assigning the value as a string, and after that I am updating the value null, it will return as a object. If I assigning a variable as an object, it will return a object data type. If I assigning a value as a array and printing on the console.log, it will return a object data type. And if I using var symbol, it will return symbol data type. So here we have learned there are 8 basic data type in JavaScript. Try to do from your side in a personal or if any kind of issue, please write in comment box. Thank you so much. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.